If you want to do something, you need to give time for that. Anything. If you want to speak English, you need to take it seriously. You need to give time every day, 2 to 3 hours. It is not important you will give the same time each and every day. You can give half an hour in the morning, 1 hour in the afternoon, and at night you can give 1 hour or 2 hours. You can split your time, but you need to give time for that. If you want to speak English, if you want to learn speaking English, how to speak, you need to give time for that. It is most important. Also, you need to keep continue. If you quit later, you will not able to get success. So you need to give time. You need to decide it. You need to decide it. You will learn speaking English. You will get success. After that, you will quit it. So you need to create a strong confidence that you will learn speaking English. Till end, you will continue. So give some time for learning speaking English and speak later.